wanted to jump on here really quickly and share a few little tips for you. I have been ranting and raving about Doo.Over Spray by Kevin Murphy, and this is a dry powder finishing hairspray is what it's classified as. It is in the finishing line. And I just want to show you how I like to use it. So start off by really shaking up this bottle. So in my own terms, I believe that Doo.Over Spray is a mixture between puff powder, which is the powder that you sprinkle into your roots, and a little bit of dry shampoo texture powder, or texture spray. So this cannot be used as a dry shampoo. However, it can absorb some of the oils in your hair. So on second day hair, this does work really well to create a little bit extra volume and to soak up some of those excess oils. Plus it has a light to medium finish. So I'm gonna start by spraying up in this top section. Like a little bit goes a super, super long ways with this. And you kind of just rub it in. And as you can tell, like instant volume. And if I know that I'm going to like head out on the town for the night, I will go in with my backcombing brush and just kind of backcomb a little bit. And as you can tell, that backcomb has major grip and really great hold. So a little section here, like this product adding in that extra grippy texture is going to create that backcomb from not moving. So I find that you don't really have to like backcomb it as much. And all right, you guys, now I look back to normal. I feel like whenever I don't have my hair backcombed, I look completely different. So, and then I'm going to finish off with some Session Flex Spray by Kevin Murphy. This product is just really super lightweight finish, flexible hold, just the right amount. So there you guys go. It's my combination, my favorite products, Doo.Over and Session Spray. Doo.Over also works basically for all hair types. It really works great on fine hair. So if you struggle with volume, this little guy will by far be your best friend. So grab one the next time you're in.